Hello world, it's Kathleen, the self-care maven of Sonoma County. Today is brought to you by Honeycrisp Baked Apples. I used cinnamon sugar, pumpkin spice, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, a little cardamom, pink salt, honey, a little lemon juice, vegan butter. The house smells divine. I hope you're well. Hope you're taking care of yourselves. Enjoy the sweetness of apples. Make your own food at home. It's more economical. It's comforting. It's enjoyable. You get the dirty dishes and you get the leftovers too. Baked apples. Take care. Self-care maven of Sonoma County, signing out.